one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Deputy Higher Education Minister fired. The 28th of August 2025. Spread the love by a correspondent. Deputy Higher Education Minister and ZANU-PF Bubai legislator, ZVAITWA, has been barred from accessing provincial offices and attending party meetings following allegations of gross misconduct and bringing the ruling party into disrepute. According to a prohibition order issued by the ZANU-PF Matabeleland North Provincial leadership, Sabanda is accused of defying party structures, creating parallel organizations, and making statements damaging to the party's image. In a letter dated Monday, Provincial Disciplinary Committee Chairperson Silas Maligo outlined charges against Sabanda, saying his actions violated the party's constitution and undermined internal unity. Your behavior has the potential to provoke division, disunity, or impact negatively on the unity of the party by creating and promoting your own parallel structures, Maligo wrote. Allegations against Sabanda, the outspoken legislator, faces a catalog of accusations, including refusing to cooperate with the District Coordinating Committee, DCC, publicly distancing himself from ZANU-PF on social media platforms, notably through the anti-ZANU-PF-aligned Bubai Community Parliament, where he allegedly declared he no longer represented the party in Parliament, claiming ownership of the presidential borehole drilling scheme by commissioning boreholes without involving party leadership, presenting laptops donated by the ICT Ministry to schools as though they were his personal contribution, making disparaging remarks against senior party leaders, allegedly embarrassing the DCC both online and in public forums. Following complaints by the Bubai DCC, the Provincial Executive Council convened on Sunday and resolved to issue a prohibition order against Sabanda, effective the 24th of August 2025, pending a full disciplinary hearing. The order prohibits Sabanda from performing duties as a DCC member, entering provincial or party offices, attending any ZANU-PF gatherings. He has been given 21 days to respond to the allegations before a disciplinary hearing set for the 19th of November. Sabanda responds, contacted yesterday. Sabanda insisted he was unaware of the prohibition order. This is not the first time the fiery MP has faced controversy. In July 2024, President Emerson Mnangagwa dismissed him from his deputy ministerial post after he transferred an early childhood development teacher from Bubai district on the basis of inadequate ISI Ndebel proficiency. The decision drew sharp criticism before Sabanda was reinstated weeks later, following what insiders described as profuse apologies. The latest episode has rekindled speculation over his political future, as ZANU-PF grapples with growing internal dissent within provincial structures.